Okay guys, so welcome back to question 2 of today mathematics class. So this is question 2 for it. So this question is from both WAEC and JAMB. So I just said this question from objective. I know JAMB is objective, that's 90, 85, and I also say the same question from WAEC, that is theory. I said this question in theory in WAEC past question. So guys, so let's dive into how you can solve this question like this. So guys, if you are just joining the class for the first time, do it to subscribe, like, and also turn on your button. Guess what? If you have a benefit like this, definitely be the first one notified. And also, if you are watching up for our Facebook page or Instagram or YouTube, I'd like you to follow us and share this video with a friend and family. God bless you guys as you take 1 minute of time to share this video with your friend and family. By now, you should have your lesson notes and your book with you. Don't forget to always submit your note for marking and cross-checking. And your assignment is very compulsory, and your classwork is very compulsory to be submitted for correction. So let's dive to it. The question is, in the equation below, solve S if all the number are in base 2 or the number are in base 2, you're told to find the value of S. Now, how do you solve this question like this? We're given this certain equation. It's quite very simple. I'll use the JAMB method to solve it, to make it easy. To make it easy, I'll solve it the easiest way. So the next video, I'll use another method to solve it. That's number method you know. But let me use a very fast trick to solve this question because of the length of this class. Now, to solve this question, you have to first of all convert all the given base to base 10. You first of all convert all these things to base 10 to make it easy. And I'll be using number base code. For base 2, it is called binary code. And what are the binary code? We have 1. You only write 1 at the first code. The next one to be, because it's clear about binary code, that is base 2. The next one is multiply 1. To get the next code, you multiply by 2. That's 2 times 1, we have 2. Now to get the next code, you multiply by 2 again. 2 times 2, that is equal to 4. The next code multiply by 2 again. 4 times 2, that is what? 8. So the next one, you get it again, that's multiplied by 2 again, so that will be equal to 2 times 8, that is equal to 16. As soon as do the other one also, 16 times 2, that is equal to what? 32. So these are the codes. Okay, so we still have another one like that. Okay, since you have since if you still have another digit of number, you can still be multiplied to get the last digit of number you need. So let's count it. Here we have base 2 here. How many do you have here? You have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. So we only need, the highest there is 16. We only need this code here. This is only code we need. Now, so let's solve it now. Let me first convert this one. We have 1 in base 2. So let's convert it to base 10. So to convert to base 10, let me use this code. We have 1. So the first code, we have 2 digits here. So we use these 2 digits. That is 1 and 2. So this one simply means that 1 multiplied, that is 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2 times 1, that's equal to 2, plus 1 times 1, that is equal to 1. So when you add it together, that's equal to 3 in base 10. So it means that 1 in base 2 is equal to 3 in base 10. Now, let me convert this one. We have S in base 2. To convert S to base 2, it's the same thing here. You can use the same method because you only have 1 digit here, that is power 1. So 1 times S is equal to what? S. So it's equal to S what? In base 10. Now the next one here, we have what? 1, 0, 0. How many number of 0? That is 3, 0. That is 3, 0, base 2. So in this place, how many do you have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 digits. So you need 4 code. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means that we have this part. Okay. So let me write it out there. We have 1, 0, 0, 0. That is 3. Let me try to count it very well. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We have 3, 0. We have 1, 2, 3. And the 1 is the fourth one. So this is the code. We have the first code here. We have 1. The second code, that is 2. The next code, that is 4. The next code, that is what? 8. So this one will be equal to 8 times 1, that is equal to 8, plus 4 times 0, that is 0. 2 times 0, that is 0. Plus 0, plus 1 times 0, that is equal to what? 0. So altogether that is equal to 0. So is there 8? 8 plus 0 is equal to what? 8. So it means that this is equal to 8 in base 10. Now, let's have to do the same thing as S. We have S base 2. They are the same thing. You have S base 2 is equal to what? 10 is equal to S in base 10. Now, so let's solve this. we have what 101 in base 2 is equal to, so how many digits do you have here? We have 3 digits here, and we only need just 3 digits of code, so it'll be equal to like 101. So the first digit, the first code, that is 1, it's multiplied by 1, the second one is 2, the last one is what? Is 4. Now this one will be equal to 4 times 1, that is equal to 4, plus, okay, 2 times 0, that is equal to 0, plus 1 times 1, that is equal to 1, so that will be equal to 4 plus 0 plus 1, that's giving us what? 5 in base 10. Now since I've converted all the given numbers to base 10, now you can substitute it to what we have there according to this equation here. So let me create a space. So if we substitute it now, here we have 1 in base 2, 1 in base 2 in base 10 is equal to 3, so therefore we have a 3, we have 3 divided by, we have s in base 10 is equal to what? Here we have s, and s in base 2, s in base 2 in base 10 is equal to what? S in base 10, so you have to divide by what? S equal to, we have this in base 2, the answer in base 10 is equal to what? 8, so therefore we have 8 here divided by, and this we have s, and s in base 10 is equal to what? S in base, that's equal to s, so you have s plus this the plus, and this one 101 in base 2, and in the 101 in base 10 is equal to what? 5. It's equal to 5 in base 10. So here we have 5 here. Okay, so here, okay, we have brackets. So if you look at it now, this part is in fraction, this part is also in fraction. So what you just have to do here is cross multiply. When you have two fraction in form of fraction, we have the second one as fraction, and they're separated by equal to. The next thing is to cross multiply. So how do you cross multiply? This one multiply by this, and this multiply by this. That is the meaning of cross multiplication. Okay, so let's cross multiply it now. So you have s times this, that's equal to what? That is okay, let me start from this place. That is 3 times this, that's equal to 3 into bracket, that is s plus 5 close bracket, and I'm equal to, so 8 times s times 8, that's equal to 8 what? 8s. So the next thing here now, so let's open this bracket. So if we should open this bracket, 3 times s, that give us what? As 3 what? S, okay, plus 3 times 5, that's giving us what? As 15. We have 15 here, equal to, we have what? 8 what? 8s. I get now. So in this place now, what you just have to do here now, you correct like sign. So we have s here, we have s here. Here is just 15, a number. So in this way, let's take this s to this s. I get now. So when you take this s to this s, so this one becomes, we have a 3s here. So when you take this 8s from this way, the sign here is plus, immediately cause what? This equal to, the sign will change to negative. That's minus. I have minus what? 8 what? S equal to, let me take this one plus 5 to the other side here. That gives us minus what? Minus 15 rather. This is 15 to the other side, that gives us minus 15. Now, so now it will be equal to, we have a 3s minus 8s, that gives us minus 5 what? S. That's minus 5s. I get now, it will be equal to minus what? 15. Minus is common to both sides. Here in this place, to get the value of s, you divide both sides by coefficient of s, that is minus 5. Divide this one by minus what? 5. So this minus 5 count is minus 5 here. So our s remain alone, that will be equal to, minus cancel minus, okay, 5 here 1, 5 in 15, that's equal to what? 3. So our s is equal to what? 3 in base 10. Now the question says you ask the question what? In base 2, and we have 3 in base 10. So let's convert 3 in base 10 to base 2. Now how do you convert it? You use what? Division method. So when you use division method, that will be equal to, that is a 3, let's convert it to base 2. 3 divided by, how many 2 can you see in 3? Okay, it goes 1 times, a middle of what? Of 1, okay. 2 divided by 1 is not possible, write 0, and divide this one as the remainder, that is 1. Now you write it from down to up. So the answer is equal to 1, 1 in base 2. So it means that 3 in base 10 is equal to 1 in base 2. So the answer is equal to 1 in base 2. So the option is option B. Option B is the answer to this question. So guys, that is how you solve this problem. So let's go to the third question of today's class.